guys, Jeremiah from San Antonio Laser here. At SA Laser, we do things differently. We're not just here to sell machines, we're here to build real, lasting partnerships that support you and your goals. Hey Janae, how you doing? Whether you're just getting started or you're ready to take your business to the next level, we've got your back every step of the way. Let's start with the foundation of your success, our machines. We offer a full lineup of fiber and CO2 lasers, each backed by a 2-year parts and labor warranty. When you invest in one of our turnkey systems, you're getting more than just high-quality equipment. You're investing in the peace of mind that comes with knowing you've got a machine that's built to last. Our premium Edge Fiber Series systems really are a cut above. Equipped with advanced galvo heads that provide efficient joule delivery, and they come with rotary attachments, these machines were made for high precision. Whether you're doing deep metal marking or cleaning surface materials, the quality shines through in every cut and every pass. If you're mostly working with wood, acrylic, or coated materials, our Blade or Razor Series CO2 lasers have you covered, even on unique projects like cowboy hats. With servo motors, precision rail systems, pass-through doors, and safety features like fire mitigation and crash avoidance, these machines are simply built to be the best. Our Spark training program is where it all begins. You'll master real techniques like logo insertion, 3D splicing, and color polishing through personalized hands-on instruction from professional engravers. We don't just sell machines, we train you to operate them with confidence. Whether you already own a laser or you're bundling our classes with new equipment, our programs are designed to make you a master of your craft. Your training is tailored to focus on the areas that matter the most to you. We've built our classes to boost your confidence, sharpen your skills, and help you start creating quality work so you can see a return on your investment as soon as possible. And if you need a refresher, our Flash training gives you access to detailed walkthroughs of key techniques covering everything from complex inversions, deep scroll, to stippling, rotary, and advanced colorwork. Flash is your go-to on-demand resource for mastering any engraving technique. But equipment and training are only half the equation. To be truly turnkey, you need the right tools to run your business smoothly from day one. Our business suite completes the package by offering you value and support that you can't find anywhere else. Included in our business bundle, we give you access to our CRM. Our HubSpot CRM is our single source of truth where you can store all of your contact information, prospect information. From here, you can pull up their email addresses, their phone numbers, as well as any notes that you may have about each one of your leads. Hey guys, does your new business need help generating leads? We can help with that too. Our team is dedicated to helping you build a powerful brand presence. But that's not all. Included with your business bundle, we'll also build you a custom website for your business, complete with lead forms, product galleries, and even social links. We're also going to feature you and your website in our certified engraver directory so customers can find and connect with you easily. You'll gain access to an expansive design library with thousands of editable graphics for both fiber and CO2 systems, with new additions coming in every single week. From custom firearms to signs, tumblers, and more, these designs are made to stand out and ready to sell. As a San Antonio Laser Engraving certified partner, you'll also unlock 15% off of consumables and materials in our web store, plus exclusive partner offers on payment processing, insurance, and more. We're committed to your success in and out of the classroom. From the moment you choose us, you gain lifetime access to our expert team, our responsive tech support, and our private online community where the top laser engravers in the country come together to learn, share, and grow. Behind it all is our team. From trainers and tech support to marketing and production, every person at San Antonio Laser shares one mission: to make your journey easier, faster, and more successful than you ever thought possible.
I cannot stress enough. Number one, the material you get, the equipment you get is great. The training you get is next level, and it gets you set up in a position to start your business right away. And that's been the advantage with sales training from the get-go.
The guys are great. They Taught us everything we need to know. The support I know is going to be there when we get home.
You feel more like you're hanging out with your buddies and they're teaching you in a very, very thorough manner how to accomplish using this equipment.
I would 1000% recommend it to anyone.
Are you ready to take the next step? Visit salasers.com or give us a call to explore our machines, book your training, or grab a seat in the next Spark training class. We look forward to seeing you then.